HDP longkedo Rangsina sangkardev shishu Niketan Akimi school building ahem kedam tangar ko ni pioneer kebarni MLA Dr. Numal Momin arideng kangpu pon kedam tang suri hini rakret roxy aningkan arko ni phaikre hiniarni MLA LED scheme pen kapang dakpon lak kebatang kapanongsi Karbiang long autonomous council CEM Dr. Tuliram ronghang arideng long isopon lo Puana ja kiding ang bong pen setami kedam tang arko ni pioneer kebarni mesen pen patang pon pa Messi MLA Dr. Numal Momin arideng ingku pipon lo Lasojok hala dagarong ara lapen SMC2 MLA Dr. Numal Momin aphan kachoro pajirpon Bangso school along Puthot second story RCC building, boundary wall, RCC ring wall, waiting shed, playing ground lapen barpi barso kachitia hem mate toilet kaselang pon thuja phan kachoning rialo MLA Dr. Numal Momin aphan pajiodon. Bangso hu Dr. Numal Momin pen ning karong penalam the nangke pachini dona tengke la bangso school kangpulong apot hidipiara aphan isi ningkan kimia gifason lo lapen ladak than bang atum cepaduk pen lo ke charli bomau somara tum aphan anso se akang tu yang deng an pon popasi ningje pon lapen kuligaong along setami ITI institute along cheklo jon ni jon thoma philote academic session setami pangcheng pon ko lapen ki ongdung ngari soe jang atum labangso ITI institute pen ongdung chokama sai setami choklem pon theko kuta ningje
that Rangsina sangkardev shishu Niketan the construction building state government untied fund we have completed the construction and happy to inaugurate today in the very early part of this 2022 and it's a new year gift for the people of HDP and I believe that the dedication the way the Sangkardev Shishu Niketan teachers doing the student will bloom from this institute and in future also will trying to improve further so that the neglected and backward area of our nation will move forward.
Bangso Maya Long MLA Dr. Numal Momin Sangha Salok RSS East Karbiang Long BJP Borjan Mondal Committee Maiphu Sunaram Singnar BJP Kisan Morcha East Karbiang Long Maiphu Mongol Singh Hanse Chandra Singh Terona Tumpen Chenglo Pinangan Kithegiding Atum Chetongdun Dilai Pen Bijoy Rongpi Karbiang Long Live